Imagine having an uninterrupted internet connection from Mars, or being able to charge your phone directly from the sun. That's right, there's a chance of this happening soon with the possible Tesla Pi phone. Musk is intentional about taking over the world, and his enormous bomb in the shape of a phone would put him a huge step ahead. Let's explore in detail the Tesla Pi phone and how it could play a major role in Elon Musk's takeover of the world. Elon Musk and Tesla have chosen to remain secretive about the said Pi phones, as they usually do with their developing technologies, and that is a wise move for anyone having such big plans. Notwithstanding, there's still so much to know and anticipate, like the next level of interconnectivity between the highly anticipated Pi phones and Tesla cars, Starlink, and Neuralink. As usual, the Pi phones would come in an exceptional form with so many features unseen. As experts predict, we could expect the Pi phones in the latter part of the year or early 2024. There's not a certain price for the Pi phones yet, but it certainly wouldn't come cheap. It may come a little expensive considering its mind-blowing features and capabilities, but that would hopefully not be a problem for Elon Musk's fans. Getting a little bit on the details side, Pi phones would have an insane level of interconnectivity with the company's primary products, the Tesla cars. It's undoubtedly going to have better integrations and more control, but currently, Tesla cars can be very much controlled with the Tesla app, allowing you to summon your car, control interior features, and also get charging and battery information right from the app. It's all very cool, but controlling car features from mobile devices is nothing new, although it's usually done with devices often stationary and provided by the car manufacturers, so we're guessing Pi phones would do it better and neater. Moving on, the Model Pi, as it's also called, would operate with Starlink, providing internet connection from anywhere on Earth or Mars. This is going to be an inbuilt functionality, so you don't necessarily have to worry about getting the Starlink routers or equipment. Starlink, being enabled by SpaceX, has low-orbit satellites which provide high-speed and low-latency internet, especially across areas with limited or no internet connectivity. Pi phones would also support Neuralink, so users could use their phones hands-free, as their thoughts can easily be turned into actions by the Neuralink chip. But of course, it's for people who have the chip implanted. Another very amazing feature we could also expect in the Pi phones would be its ability to solar charge. Elon Musk is an advocate for renewable energy, so it wouldn't come as a surprise, him making solar chargeable phones a thing. So far, the features expected in the phone are already enough to disrupt the phone market, as there are no high-level innovations and all existing smartphones feel the same. What could the specifications be like on the Pi phone, considering how innovative and next-level the features of the phone already are? As expected, it would operate on Android version 12 and have a battery of around 5,000 to 7,000 mAh to support its heavy features. It's rumored to use an eSIM and an inbuilt Wi-Fi as well. Coming to one of the most important parts of a phone, its camera. The Pi phone would be equipped with a 40-megapixel front-facing camera, which would be hidden in the screen, and 4 rear-facing cameras. The rear-facing cameras would all be 50-megapixel cameras, but the first being a primary sensor, and the second an ultra-wide sensor, while the third a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. The phone would have the best results in astrophotography, as it would capture very detailed photos. Aside from the camera, they would have an AMOLED display on a 6.7-inch screen with 458 ppi, pixels per inch. This would allow you to play video games or watch videos on a very high-resolution screen. This is just the tip of the iceberg for Musk and his companies. Tesla has grown over time in value and has an estimated net worth of $386 billion as of January 2023, and is considered the world's most valuable car company. As the demand for EVs continues to rise, Tesla would continue to throw other car companies off track and maintain its position as number one. SpaceX, on the other hand, has grown to a valuation of over $100 billion and has been making waves in the space industry. They just released their spacesuit, which can be used for spacewalks and exploration on a larger scale, and it may not seem like a big deal, but the last suits designed by the US capable of spacewalks were in the 1980s by NASA, and since the last Apollo mission, humans haven't reached the moon. But NASA has been planning its Artemis mission, which will finally send astronauts to the moon. SpaceX was contracted by NASA in 2021 to develop a human landing system variant of their Starship, which would be used for NASA's Artemis mission. This must have been a major achievement for SpaceX as they move towards being the top dogs in the space industry. The list can go on and on for Elon Musk and his no-fail companies, with only domination in whatever markets he plays in. Though he has a proven record of successful launches and projects, could the Project Pi phone follow suit and allow him a major chunk of the phone market? If the Pi phones eventually get launched, would it be something you'd want in your pockets and everyday lives? Let us know in the comments, and also your predictions for the Pi phone